Automate best-selling product tracking using n8n. Hey everyone, welcome back to another AI automation tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to automate best-selling product tracking using n8n, one of the most powerful no-code automation tools on the market. Imagine having a workflow that automatically analyzes your product sales, identifies your top performance, updates your dashboard, and emails you a report all while you sleep. No manual sorting, no exporting data, no calculation, just pure AI power no code automation running on autopilot. Let's jump in and build it together step by step. First, we'll add the cron trigger node. This node defines when the workflow should run, in our case every morning at 8 am. That means that the automation will start by itself every day, fetch your latest product sales data and process it. Think of it like an assistant that wakes up before you do and prepares the daily report automatically. This is exactly what AI automation means, working for you consistently and reliably. Next, we'll connect our Airtable database. Add an Airtable node, choose the list operation and select your product sales table. This table should contain columns like product name, units sold, revenue, and date. When the workflow runs, n8n will automatically fetch all sales records for the current period. You can even filter it to fetch only the last 7 days or last 24 hours using the Airtable's filters or formulas. This simple integration lets n8n no-code AI automation pull real-time data from your store, no manual exporting needed. Now you want to figure out which products are selling the most. To do this, add a sort node or a group aggregate node depending on your setup. Choose the field unit sold and sort it in descending order so your best performing product appears at the top. You can also use the aggregate node to sum up total units sold per product. Then add a set node to keep only the most important fields: the product name, the total units, the sold, and the revenue. You can even limit the output to the top 5 or top 10 product by using a slice expression. This step turns raw data into meaningful business insight automatically. No Excel formulas, no manual counting, just no code AI automation doing the heavy lifting. Next step is to update the dashboard in the Google Sheet. Once you identify your best-selling product, it's time to update your dashboard. Add a Google Sheet node and connect your account. Choose Clear. As you can see here, the operation is clear to remove the previous data from your top product sheet. Then add another operation, next Google Sheet node, with append to push the new result. This keeps your spreadsheet updated daily with the latest performance data. You can use this sheet to power a Data Studio dashboard or share it with your marketing team. Every morning they'll have updated bestseller stat automatically generated by your n8n no-code AI automation system. To finish the workflow, you'll send the report by email. Add an email send node, connect your SMTP credential, and set your from and to address. As you can see here, from your email gmail.com to email your email gmail.com. Use a subject like daily best-selling products. In the message body, write something like your top products have been updated in Google Sheets. Or here's your daily list of best-selling products. You can also embed the top products list right in the email body using expression like JSON product name. Now every day you'll get a clear automatic summary, your AI automation assistant reporting results right to your inbox. Now let's see the whole workflow. Okay. After that, you hit the execute, watch the green nodes light up, and verify your results in Google Sheet and your inbox. Once everything works, toggle it active. That's it. You toggle it active by here. It's inactive and you, after all the node works, you'll activate the workflow. That's it. Now you have a fully automated best-selling product tracker built entirely with n8n using only no-code AI automation tools. This workflow saves you times, improves decision making, and keeps your business data always up to date. Congratulations, guys! You just built a complete no-code AI automation system to track your best-selling products automatically. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like, the subscribe, and comment below what workflow you'd like to automate next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next AI automation tutorial. Bye bye.